Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today, I am going to teach you about chapter 11, area and its boundary. And today's topic is perimeter. Okay, dear students. Now let's start. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the missing length. Find the missing length if its perimeter is given. Perimeter is given. Okay, dear students, here given that question number 4 of A is, dear students, please look at here carefully. Okay, dear students, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, dear students, the length of AB is 6 centimeter and length of BC is, find. Yes, students, length of BC is find out. Okay, and CD is 2 centimeter, EF DE 2 centimeter, EF 6 centimeter, and FG is 4 centimeter, and GH 2 centimeter, and HA is 2 centimeter. And given that perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, okay, distance, look at here carefully. We know that the perimeter is the sum of length of line segment of given simple closed figure. Okay, therefore in this question, firstly we add all given length of line segment, then subtracted from given perimeter. Okay, then we can find the missing length. It means that the length of BC. Okay, dear students, now let's start the solution of a. We know that the perimeter is equal to sum of the length of the line segment of simple closed figure. Okay, distance, then we can write the line segment is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, it means that AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus EF plus FG plus GH and in last plus HA. Okay, distance, and put the value of all line segment. It means that AB is 6 centimeter. Yes, 6 plus BC is question mark. It means that we can write BC as we can write BC as same. Okay, plus CD is 2 centimeter plus DE is 2 centimeter plus EF is 6 centimeter plus FG is 4 centimeter plus GH is 2 centimeter. The length of HA is 2 centimeter. Okay, distance, and here given that the perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter, then we can write 28 centimeter in place of perimeter. Okay, then 28 centimeter is equal to distance. We add all, okay, one by one, then we get 6 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, 10, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, and 22 plus 2 is 24. Okay, distance, here we get 24 centimeter plus BC, and the length of BC is equal to, okay, distance, look at here carefully, length of BC is equal to, if we subtracted 24 from 28, okay, then we get the value of BC. It means that BC is equal to 28 centimeter minus 24 centimeter. Okay, then BC is equal to 28 goes to 24 is equal to 4 centimeter. Then the missing length BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, distance, look at here carefully, here 28 centimeter and here 24 plus BC. It means that if we replace 24 in left side, okay, then we can take negative sign. Okay, it means that 28 centimeter minus 24 centimeter, then we get BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, therefore the missing length BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Understand, dear students? Okay, now erase this. Okay, dear students, now let's start question number 4 of B. Here 4 of B, do it yourself in your rough copy. Okay, in maths rough copy, and dear students, question number 4B, do it yourself. Okay, Now let's start question number 5. Find the perimeter. Now let's start question number 5. Find the perimeter. Question number 5 of A is rectangle with length rectangle with length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that a rectangle with length 8 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter. Suppose that this is a rectangle of length 8 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay, then the perimeter of rectangle is perimeter of rectangle perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Okay distance, the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, we apply this formula in this question. Now let's start the solution of 5a. We know that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here given that the length of a rectangle is the length of a rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay dear students, then the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, yes, 2 into length plus breadth. It means that we can write 2 into 8 in place of length plus 5 in place of a b. Okay, here we can write 8 plus 5. Okay, then we get, after adding, we get 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 to the, yes, 26 centimeter. Okay distance, then the perimeter of a rectangle with 8 centimeter and with length 8 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter is 26 centimeter. Understand? Okay distance. Now let's start question number 5 of B. Distance, please write in math fair copy. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay dear students, question number 5 of B. Dear students, question number 5 of B is rectangle with rectangle with length is equal to 12 meter, 12 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, distance with the help of question number 5 of A. Okay, we solve this question. Now let's start the solution. The length of a rectangle is equal to 12 and the breadth of a rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to distance. We know that the formula of perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, therefore we can write 2 into length. We can write 12 in place of length. It means that 12 plus 8 centimeter in place of breadth. It means that 8 centimeter. 2 into 12 plus 8 is 20, and 22 is yes 40 centimeter. After multiplying this we get 40 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 40 centimeter. Understand? Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 5 of C. Question number 5 of C is square with side 7 centimeter. Square with side 7 centimeter. Distance, suppose that we draw a square as 7 centimeter of 7 centimeter of side. Okay, square with side 7 centimeter. It means that distance, we know that the perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, 4 into side. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Understand? Then we can find the perimeter of square is 4 into 7. 4 7 is 28. Okay, it means that 28 is the perimeter of a square. Look at here carefully. Now let's start the solution. Here given that the side of a square is equal to 7 centimeter, then the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. It means that we can write 7. Okay, in place of side 4 into 7 centimeter, 4 7 are 28 centimeter. Okay, distance. Question number 5 of D. 5 of D is square of side 9 centimeter. Square of side 9 centimeter. Dear students, do it yourself. Question number 5 of D, square of side 9 centimeter. Do it yourself with the help of question number 5C. Okay, understands? Understand? Okay, dear students, if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number or contact me. Okay. Okay, dear students, now let's start question number 7. Question number 7 is find the area of the following shape. Question number 7. Question number 7 is find the area of the following shape. Okay, dear students, here we draw a shape. Look at here carefully. A, B, C, D. And the length of this shape is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay, distance. We know that if the length and breadth are not same, then we can say that this is a rectangle. Okay, distance. And we know that the formula of area of the rectangle, is equal to length into breadth. Yes, length into breadth. Okay, distance. Here given that length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now let's start the solution of question number 7 of A. Given that the length of a rectangle is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, distance 9 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, distance. Given that the length of a rectangle is 9 centimeter and the breadth of rectangle is 5 centimeter. Okay, then the area of given rectangle is equal to, we know that the formula of area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, okay, dear students, here we can write 9 centimeter in place of length and 5 centimeter in place of breadth. Okay, and multiplying these we get 9 5 ja 45. Okay, distance. And here given that centimeter and centimeter, that means that if we multiply by centimeter in centimeter, then we get square centimeter to centimeter square. It means that square centimeter. Okay, then the area of a rectangle is equal to 45 square centimeter. Understand? The unit of area is equal to square centimeter. Okay, in this question. Understand? Now is this. Okay, dear sons. Now again we draw second question. It means that second shape. Here given that P Q R S and the length of this rectangle is 12 centimeter and base and breadth is 8 centimeter. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that the length of a rectangle is equal to 12 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle, it means that the breadth of the rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, then the area of the rectangle is distance. If we multiply by 8 in 12, then we get area. Okay, it means that we can write 12 centimeter in place of length into 8 centimeter in place of breadth. Okay, and multiplying these we get 12 at ja, look at here carefully, 8 2 ja 16 of 6 carry 1, 8 1 ja 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. It means that 12 at ja 96 centimeter and centimeter is square centimeter. Okay, dear sons. Now let's start question number 7 of C. Now read this. Dear students, if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, dear students. The shape of question number 7 of C is, look at here carefully. This is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that four sides are equal. Okay, dear students, it means that the given shape is a square. Okay, then the side of the square, the side of the square is equal to 6 centimeter. Then the area of the square is equal to, dear friends, area of the square is side into side. Okay, it means that side into side, the area of the square is equal to side into side. Therefore we can write 6 centimeter in place of side, 6 centimeter in place of side. Okay, after multiplying these, 6 is the 36. After multiplying these we get 36 centimeter. Centimeter is square centimeter. Okay dear students, if we multiply by centimeter in centimeter, then we get centimeter square. Understood? Okay, now let's start question number 7 of D. Now read this. There's some page write in fair copy. Okay, question number D. Look at here carefully. Question number 7 of D. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that four sides are equal. Okay, therefore we can say that the given shape is a square. Okay, the area of the square is equal to side into side. If we multiply side by side, then we get the area of the square. Okay, it means that 8 8 is 64. The area of the square is equal to 64 centimeter square. Okay, it means that the area of the square is equal to 64 square centimeter. Understand? Okay students, dear students, do it yourself this question. Okay, in your maths rough copy. Understand? If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.